Hi everyone! Thanks for hopping on episode 2 of the Mobile Mementos Series, how to scrap digitally on your cell phone. Last episode, we had a brief run through of a project just to give you a general understanding, but today we'll begin the segment on photo editing, specifically PicTapGo, that yellow icon. But I by no means am an expert, I'm only sharing what I've learned along the way. So as soon as I open it, you see it loads my gallery. But sometimes what I want to edit is a little bit older or not as easily accessible. So then you can press on the bottom right hand corner rectangle that gives you access to select a specific folder. I love creating folders on my phone because it really helps me organize my scrap elements, but we'll totally get into that in another video. So let's select a photo to edit and then press edit in the top right hand corner. And there are some options in the top bar, but let's focus on the bottom bar. There are 3 main menu options, and you can tell you're in that option because it highlights it in red. So we have adjustments, filters, and my style. Adjustments allows you to adjust light, contrast, color, or warmth, and you can use these sliders to do so. Next one is filters. You can select any of these filters here. It gives you the options of color, basics, black and white, or all, which as you can see, it gives you a ton of them. But one of my favorite capabilities of PicTapGo is the ability to layer more than one filter and save that recipe to apply it later on, which really comes in handy when all you do is take photos and edit scrapbook pages. So I'll show you how it works. These are some of the recipes that I myself have created. So every time I come in here and edit it, I can just select a recipe instead of going through all the steps that I did previously. So let's do a quick exercise and let's pretend like none of these filters are what I'm looking for. So I'm going to start in the filter screen and I'm just going to select random filters. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Feel free to experiment and save your own recipes. You'll definitely be surprised on how easy it is. So we'll start off with, let's see, bright side, go back to filters, and then, let's see, let's do crispity, go back to filters, and do auto color. Okay, let's call it good. So I will just quickly bring your attention down to the slider. If it's a little bit too strong, you can also adjust the strength of that effect or multiple filters. So in the top right hand corner, you're going to press go. Your project's going to load, and then underneath it, there's a gray button that says save recipe. You can name it whatever you'd like. And you can see the progression right there and the 3 different steps that I took in case you're ever curious, but you're never going to need to know that or remember that. So the recipe is now saved. It gives you some export options below, but I personally just stick with saving it to my gallery. I will also point out that you can export it to Becky Higgins' Project Life. If you happen to miss episode 1, we did talk a little bit about how PicTapGo is integrated in Project Life. But if you missed it, I'll go ahead and show you really quick. So let's go ahead and select that same photo. And I'm going to edit it. And you see that the PicTapGo icon has populated. So it's going to take us to PicTapGo. We can apply our new filter, and then top right hand corner, you press use photo, and it loads right into Project Life. How easy is that? It's definitely really amazing. So that's all I had on PicTapGo. I hope you learned something. If you have any specific questions about it, definitely leave a comment below, or if you personally are an expert on PicTapGo and have any tips, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.